I think I dislocated my jaw. I was sitting and I rested my jaw on my fist and I pushed it to the side and it kind of just, it wouldn't close. I kind of just like grabbed my jaw, put it back in place. It's not all bad news though, because I've been gaining a bit of weight and I'm having trouble eating. I have to chew really slowly. Here's a fire truck update. Wait, actually, if anyone's a doctor, is this gonna go away or am I gonna be in pain? Like, does it just, like, what happened? It's not permanent, is it? Am I talking funny? I feel like I'm talking funny right now. I feel like I can't, I'm afraid to use, I'm like talking soft. This is my Taylor done. The lady that sold it to me listed it on Facebook Marketplace as Tyler Dumb. And this is my I can't talk. And this is my Cascade fire pump. I know some of you guys are familiar with the pump already, but just for those who aren't, it was right here. It was completely melted. That's the engine, that's where the pump used to be, and that's the hose reel. It took me 30 minutes to get the pump out. I had to bang the crap out of it. Bang, some words are worse. Bang, bang, eh. Here's both halves of the pump cavity. You can see how nasty they are. I'm gonna have to clean these up. And this is some of the molten plastic that got pumped into the pipe. The pump shredded itself. These are the replacement pump parts. And the pump is really cool. It's called a vane pump. It's called a vane. This is one half of the pump body, and this is the vane. Okay, that'll work. The way it works is this vane warbles around inside the pump body, and it squeezes water around the outside edge to create high pressure water. You see how it squishes the water? Do you see how it squishes the water around the outside edge? This is the water tank. It's about 60 gallons. And when that 60 gallons runs dry, there's no more water in the pump to cool the plastic parts. And so they melted and turned into this little guy from earlier. Gross. Gross. Oh, no. Why? Plug it in, plug the garbage disposal in, because God bless. Oh, is it broken? Why? I don't want to fix things. I want to make a fire truck. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Come on, Jake, do it. Dun, 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 dun. I don't get it at all. It's like Indiana Jones. Because we're about to drive off a cliff. We got Tom, we got Kevin, we got Jake. Ready to go. We drove all the way up the mountain to shoot a pirate gun. 1860s pistol, so this is like an actual, back in the day, like gold miner feud settler. Oh my God, it's full of goo.
Exactly. You pour powder into the cylinder in each chamber. Okay. Then you get a bullet, you put the bullet in, and you literally, it's a lead ball, and you press the ball in with this.
Oh, so like when you pull this lever down, it like rams it.
Operation Ramrod it, send it down.
Tally-o, lads! Oh, I got it! Pirate roleplay? R. Wait, is pirate or Civil War? Who used this? If I bought this back in the day, what was I? 18 what? I was just an American, like a, what am I shooting at? Like beavers and stuff? This gun shot Abe Lincoln. Take this, Abraham Lincoln. This one's for you, George Washington. You wanna shoot the pirate gun?
Oh, I'll shoot the pirate gun.
This video is sponsored by Opera. If you've been using the same old web browser, it's time to try something new. I installed Opera a few weeks ago, and I love these features I haven't seen on any other browser, and that's on top of the built-in free VPN and ad blocker. Like Lucid Mode, which automatically sharpens blurry video, which keeps playback crisp even when you can't stream in HD. And Opera solves the billion tab problem. I used to use different windows to organize my tabs, but now I can just collapse an island. And it has Aria, Opera's built-in AI, which works as a regular chatbot and can help answer questions by highlighting something you want more information about. But don't just take my word for it. I had Aria describe itself using Zoomer slang.
Sup? I'm Aria, your go-to source for all the Gucci info. I'm here to help you munch on the freshest knowledge.
And for when you want to talk to real friends, WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger are fully integrated for a seamless experience. Use my link below to download Opera today. I went to the doctor for my jaw, and this is my diagnosis. My diagnosis. My diagnosis. Damn, boy! I haven't gotten hurt many times in my life. The worst injury I've ever had is when I was on my 10th birthday. I fell off the playground and I broke my wrist. This part of my wrist broke and then it twisted sideways and there was a huge lump. And I remember telling my mom when she came to pick me up, I said, I hope it's not broken. And she replied, I hope it is broken. If it's not broken, I don't know what's making that lump onto your skin. I know, okay, you want my diagnosis. All right, just 1 second. You wanna see my diagnosis? All right.
Okay.
This is the CT scan they did on me.
You got a lot of teeth in there.
You see it? Can you guys see what's wrong? Is there any identifying information on there that needs to be blurred? There's nothing wrong with me.
Are you pretty sure
The
that
doctor,
was pretty messed up?
doctor said I'm a little baby. Hey, you're okay. You're okay.
Kevin just learned how to reload the pirate gun.
Ahoy,
And
mateys.
Tom's gonna shoot the pirate gun.
Now, mind you, there's a pirate chasing you around with a scimitar on top of a deck, and you're kind of drunk because you're a pirate. So you put the ball here, and then you're gonna like this part. Watch this.
And you ram the ball down.
The ball rammer,
Oh
and
my
then
God.
you need the ball. What is it? The
Ball
boar
grease.
butter.
Oh, not ball juice? Wait, I want to put the ball juice in.
Okay. Here.
How much
I'll-
ball juice do I do? Like, do I have to try to get it right on the, like
Like
cover it?
toothpaste, probably just like a pea.
Like that?
Yeah,
More?
like imagine you're trying to like put it on your hole like preparation H. You're gonna just push
Right.
that down, and then squirt a little inside there. Yeah,
More?
push it. No, you're good. But
Put
yeah,
it in my finger?
get in there, bud.
Okay, got it in. My
And then you're
H.
gonna put a one of the primers on the back.
Okay. This is actually,
This is what
Horrible.
they did for each round.
this would take you like 10 minutes.
Fastest we've done like 6 rounds is about 2.5 minutes.
So I just push it on?
You only have one shot because
I've got one shot.
that took like a minute.
I've got one shot, and you loaded it.
I loaded it.
This thing's gonna blow up in my hands.
Say R.
I refuse.
Hey, you got it!
That is pretty much a headshot, I think.
Yeah. All the treasure is yours, Tom.
What? Can I help you, Potato? All right, what do you got here?
This is the old life hack machine. This is your old Shape Poco.
I only used it a handful of times. It was such a pain in the butt to route stuff.
I bet.
That
It's
it
probably so messy too.
It's messy. I almost lit the garage on fire once. It's been repurposed, and right now, instead of a router, it's attached to a 2,000 watt laser.
Dude, this thing, it boogies. Like, look at, I cut.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
Uh-huh.
Wait, this is actually perfect. You welded it with a laser too?
Yeah.
Whoa, this looks fucking clean.
I know.
This is the 2,000 watt laser. It's used for like cleaning rust and cutting and welding. It's not something you should be able to buy, but they haven't figured it out yet, so you can. You can. And then this is the Shape Poco router that the Dremel has been removed, and then the laser head has been mounted onto where the router used to be. Did I say Dremel? No, I meant the router. Yeah, the DeWalt, the D's Nuts router. Most CNC machines are the same exact thing. It's just motors that move a gantry, and you put some sort of tool head on. It doesn't matter if it's a router or a laser, so you just take the laser and put it where the router was. You have yourself a 2,000 watt fiber open air laser cutter. This is safe too. It's one of the safest machines you could be running in your garage. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, and it's so dimensionally accurate.
God, we should have done this.
I know. I had a suspicion this would be awesome, and it's way better than I thought it was gonna be.
Missed. You missed one.
You missed 2.
You missed 2.
Out of 10.
That's like a C. Tom and I are disappointed in you.
Don't drag me into this.
Did I pass my American class?
No.
Let go. Perfect. And you're ready to shoot.
That is ready to go.
Ready to go.
Cool.
Beautiful. See, not much more kick, but it's a much bigger round.
Look. Little better while doing it. 5 out of 5, I'll take that.
Yeah, and you nailed it. Yeah, that's fantastic.
I got it once! I got it once!
Were you aiming?
Oh, wait, you can't, because you have to hold them in line with each other.
Well, now I want to compete with you on that.
Wow, that like paints the whole target.
Look at that. Now it's dark outside. It's evening. It's good. It's dark. It's dark. And what did I get done today? Nothing. Ugh. Let's go. The day's over. Didn't get to work on my fire truck at all.